How to permanently remove. Learn more about this picture icon in Windows 11. Windows 11 introduced the Spotlight feature, which displays stunning images on your desktop background. While this feature adds visual appeal, some users find the learn more about this picture icon distracting and prefer a cleaner desktop experience. If you're one of them, here's a step-by-step guide to permanently remove this icon while keeping Spotlight active. Why does the icon appear? The Learn More About This Picture icon provides information about the current Spotlight wallpaper. It's a quick way to learn more about the featured image or give feedback to Microsoft. However, if you don't use this functionality, it can clutter your desktop. Method 1. Using the Registry Editor. This method allows you to remove the icon while still enjoying Spotlight wallpapers. Open Registry Editor. Press 1+R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Navigate to the key. Go to HKUI_current_user/Microsoft/Windows//CurrentVersion/HideDesktopIcons/NewStartPanel. Create a new DWORD value. Right-click on NewStartPanel, select New DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name the value 2CC5CA9864854899920EB3E88A6 KEKI3. Set the value data. Double-click on the newly created DWORD. Set its value to 1 and click OK. Refresh the desktop. Right-click on your desktop and select Refresh. The Learn More About This Picture icon should now be gone. Method 2. Disable Windows Spotlight. If you don't need Windows Spotlight at all, you can change your desktop background to a static image, solid color, or slideshow. Go to Personalization Settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Personalize. Go to Background. Change the background type. Choose Picture, Solid Color, or Slideshow instead of Spotlight. Apply the changes. Once you change the background type, the icon will no longer appear. Important notes. Back up your registry. Modifying the registry can cause system issues if not done correctly. Always back up your registry before making changes. No icon without Spotlight. If you disable Windows Spotlight, the icon will automatically disappear. Conclusion. The Learn More About This Picture icon is a minor feature of Windows 11 Spotlight, but removing it can improve your desktop's aesthetics. By following the steps above, you can enjoy Spotlight wallpapers without the distraction of extra icons. If you don't need Spotlight, switching to a static background offers a simpler solution. Enjoy your clean and organized desktop. For further tips on Windows customization,